Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn dress chapter from environmental science subject. By the end of the chapter, you will be able to explore the variety in clothing. Familiarize yourself with the types of dresses and clothing that are commonly worn in different districts. Gather fabric samples and create dress models using the collected pieces of cloth. Think about the different types of dresses you wear. Write the names of these dresses in the space provided. School uniform, a common attire for school days. Casual clothes, t-shirts, jeans, shorts, and dresses for everyday activities. Traditional dress, kurta pajama for boys, and salwar kameez or lehenga choli for girls, especially during festivals and cultural events. Party wear, fancy dresses or suits for special occasion like birthday parties. Sportswear, comfortable tracksuits or shorts and t-shirts for sports and physical activities. Winter clothing, sweaters, jackets, and woolen caps for the colder months. Rain wear, raincoats and waterproof boots during the rainy season. Night wear, pajamas or nightgowns for sleeping comfortably. Hands-on activity. Attach the pieces of cloth made from various types of yarn. Label each piece with the corresponding type of yarn. What am I? Question. I am made of wool. All wear me during winter. Answer. Blanket. Question. My fabric is highly desired. Cultivated by farmers. What am I? Answer. Cotton. Hands-on activity. Create a small models of dresses using different pieces of cloth. Attach the models below. Follow the clues provided to identify the different steps involved in preparing a dress. Write down each step in the space provided. The process begins with growing cotton in the fields. Farmers cultivate cotton plants to harvest the cotton fibers. The harvested cotton fibers are then spun into yarn. This process involves cleaning the fibers and twisting them together to create long strands of yarn. The yarn is woven into cloth using a loom. The weaving process interlaces the yarns to create a fabric. The woven fabric is then dyed or colored to give it a desired appearance. Different dyes and colors are applied to the cloth. The colored cloth is cut and stitched into dresses. Tailors or garment manufacturers design and sew the fabric into various types of clothing. Look at the pictures of dresses. Put a tick mark next to the dresses that are commonly used by the people in your locality. Think about the dresses that are worn in different seasons. Write the names of these dresses under the appropriate season. Raincoats and waterproof boots are used in rainy season. Sweaters and jackets are used in winter season. T-shirts and shorts are used in summer season. Write the names of 3 examples of dresses that are stitched. Shirt, dress and jeans are the examples of cloths which are stitched. Write the names of 3 examples of dresses that are not stitched. Sari, dhoti and lungi are the examples of cloths which are not stitched. Hands-on activity. Create colors using easily available materials such as leaves, vegetables, flowers, and nuts. Use these colors to dye a white piece of cloth. For added design, you can use pieces of lady's finger, okra, radish, etc. Hands-on activity. Make impressions on a white paper dipping your thumb in different colors. Dip cotton balls in different colors and use them to create various picture patterns. Alright, that's it for our activities today. You all did wonderfully. Thank you for joining the session. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the content.